Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, one of the things about being good at anything is to keep track of metrics and improve them. They say that what is measured is improved, and that is very, very true when it comes to trading. What is measured is improved. So we want to keep good metrics. One thing to do is to look at the end of the year. So you can do this exercise. You can go back to the end of the year and you can see how much money you made. Now, that's just step one. I mean, if you made $5,000 and it was one trade, then hey, you probably did pretty good on that trade, depending on the size of your account and the size of your trade. But if you made 10,000 trades, geez, you probably exercised a lot of effort for a very, very small reward comparatively for that effort. So one thing that I used to do is I used to see how much money I made during the year, see how many contracts I traded, or how many trades I made, and divide one into the other and see how much I had made per trade. Another thing I like to do on individual trades is look at return on risk. Because if you make $1,000 on one trade that was extremely risky, or you make $1,000 on one trade that was very, very conservative, well, geez, I'd really much rather make $1,000 on those conservative trades because the risky ones might go the other way more often, and they will if they have more variance to them. So there are a lot of metrics, and I know some of you have the spreadsheet that I have put out there, people who got that as a bonus in some of our classes or some of our one-on-one coaching students. You got those. Use those metrics and compare them, take good notes, keep a trade journal, and always look to improve. Always do a postmortem after, look at those metrics and try and make them better. And that is how you become a better trader. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.